current reusable bags won't solve plastic pollution. This is a smart bag. Let's change the system. Hi, I'm Joost, and I'm the founder of EVERLESS. We create uniquely designed products that make your life easier while helping the planet. Today, everybody knows plastic pollution is a real issue. That's why many of us have reusable bags now. But reusable bags only serve their purpose if you always have one with you. But do you? No, you usually don't. Why not? Because they're simply not convenient. Stuffing and fumbling them is a total hassle. They're not easy to bring, or they make me look like I'm a bit too happy to see you, and most of them are downright ugly. So they end up here, or here, or here. They've basically become the new plastic bags. That's why we completely reimagined the reusable bag. We created a gadget that magically folds itself into a size so tiny you don't even notice you have it on you until you need it. Meet the Smart Bag.
It may not seem like it, but this is a bag. Introducing the first smart alternative to single-use bags. The Smart Bag by EVERLESS. The Smart Bag has a singular design that is truly different. Through state-of-the-art craftsmanship and the use of ultra-performance materials, we've created a technology that gives the bag a memory. It folds up to the size of about a credit card. It's made to last and sized perfectly for your daily needs. Now you have a bag when you need one, and you can forget about it when you don't. It's always with you, wherever you go. So you'll never need disposable bags again.
The Smart Bag is the next generation reusable bag that actually fulfills on the promise to reduce plastic waste by simply always being there for you when you need it. Whether you're picking up some groceries on the fly, you're shopping for some new clothes, to carry excess items while traveling, or just to bring your lunch. We designed this bag for the conscious consumer of tomorrow.
So, if you're sick of getting offered disposable bags everywhere you go, just say no, because we don't actually want single-use bags. We want convenience.
We need your help to bring the Smart Bag to life, so we can end plastic pollution together. Join us.